Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull Desktop. First, ensure you have the Webull Desktop application installed on your computer. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Webull account details. Take a moment to explore the main dashboard. It's designed for intuitive navigation. You'll find your account overview, watch lists, and quick access to trading tools right at your fingertips. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to trade in no time. Navigating Webull Desktop is straightforward once you understand its modular design. You can personalize your workspace by adding or removing various widgets, tailoring it to your trading style. Use the powerful search bar at the top to instantly locate any stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency you're interested in. Your custom watch lists are easily accessible, allowing you to keep a close eye on your favorite investments without hassle. This flexibility helps you create an efficient trading environment. Placing trades on Webull Desktop is a seamless process. Simply open the Order Entry panel, where you can specify whether you want to buy or sell. You have several order types available, including market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to set a specific price. After placing an order, you can easily monitor its status and track all your open positions and past trade history directly from the platform. This gives you full control over your investments. Webull Desktop offers powerful advanced tools to enhance your trading strategy. Dive into comprehensive charting features, complete with a wide array of technical indicators to help you analyze market trends. You can also access in-depth research reports and real-time news feeds directly within the platform, providing valuable insights for informed decision-making. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. These resources are designed to give you an edge in the market.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.